Hello there, I'm Keith from the Hydrogen Standard, here today at the Hydrogen Technology World Expo in Hamburg, in Germany, and chatting to Jur, who's the Business Development Manager for Resato High Pressure Technology. Jur, it's wonderful to be here with you today. Tell us a little bit about the company that you represent and what they do.
Thank you for coming to our stand. And yes, I'm working for Resato High Pressure Technology. We are a company that is active in the high pressure technology for over 30 years. And since a couple of years, we are also active in hydrogen activities.
So a lot of experience,
Yes.
particularly now within the world of hydrogen. What is it that you offer that others don't?
We're offering a full scale of hydrogen testing equipment. And if you look to the specific market for the hydrogen tank test industry, there are a lot of regulations that you need to comply to. And one of the regulations is the R134. And we can offer a full scale of test equipment, especially for this regulation.
Okay, so if someone was to come to you, they would, in a sense, you become a one-stop shop solution. People can come to you and you can look after them and not have to keep on jumping through to lots of different companies to get it sorted. Does that make sense?
Yes, exactly. We're offering a wide scale of testing solutions. You can think of homologation testing, end-of-line testing, lifetime cycle testing. And to give them a little explanation on that is that if you have, for instance, homologation testing, that is basically testing on the design of the tank. So every tank needs to have an approval, and then you have our machine to get the approval on that specific tank. If you look to end-of-line testing is basically that every product that is being produced in the factory needs to be tested before it leaves the factory. And if you look to lifetime cycle testing, these machines replicate basically the behavior of the tank on the real conditions. So you go up and down in pressure, and that is basically answering if the tank is doing well in the real conditions.
Within those three different fields, what is it that you offer at Resato that other people don't? What is your USP? What can people expect when they come to you?
So we're offering testing machines that go to very extreme conditions, especially looking to the R134. You need to go down to minus 40 degrees Celsius or even below, and up to plus 85 degrees with controlled humidity during testing. And we can combine both conditions in the same testing solutions.
So what I'm hearing is that you offer the ability to have the extremes of different temperatures and a real scope in the different types of fields that people can come to you about. What is it, what benefits do people get when they come to you? What benefits are there about, for your clients specifically coming to Resato High Pressure Technology as that one-stop solution?
Yeah, we can offer solutions that combine testing below minus 40 degrees and go up to plus 85 degrees with a controlled humidity. And looking to the gas test solutions, we can go below minus 40 degrees at the start of the test, and that's really unique if you look into the market.
And thinking about the future now, what's the next step for Resato High Pressure? Where are you looking now to move into?
We see there is a lot of movement in the market, and looking to the size of the tanks that are being tested nowadays, they are getting bigger and bigger. So we try to run up with the development we see in the market, and we try to make a solution that fits every time when the customer comes to us, especially when the tanks are changing in sizes, and we try to answer on these demands.
So out of interest, if a customer was to come to you with requirements that you didn't already have, they needed a bespoke solution, are you able to accommodate them?
Yes, so we make tailor-made solutions rather than just off-the-shelf solutions. And then we start a discussion with our customers just really to find the sweet spot for their company so that we can help them improve or even exceed in their own businesses.
So for any potential customers that are watching this now, what would you say your biggest selling point is?
Well, at Resato, we are not offering a product, we are selling a solution. And looking to our long-term relationships, like we have with Kiva in the Netherlands, we are very happy that we make a solution that really is built to last. And that's supporting the long-term relationships with our customers, and we try to meet or exceed the expectations of our own customers.
Thank you very much, Jur. There we go. Jur, Business Development Manager at Resato High Pressure Technology, a company that have been doing this for over 30 years and that can offer bespoke solutions tailored just for you. We're here at the World Technology Expo in Hamburg, having a great time. From myself and Jur, we'll see you soon.